$1,000 per month in passive income in 90 days. This is video 3. What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video here. Now, as you see on my channel, you see video 1, video 2, and the series that I'm doing is $1,000 per month in 90 days. Okay. So if you go to video 1 here and click on it, it's going to take you over to this page right here. If you watch this video, you can see what we're doing exactly. Okay. So you can follow along from day 1 to day 2 until this 3rd day and the other series that's going to be coming along. So what you want to do is come down in this video, and right here on this link, you want to click on this link right here. Click on that link. It's going to open up this window right here. You want to watch this video. Okay. You want to watch this video, read this page, okay? After you have consumed the information on this page, you're going to see what it is that you're actually going to be offering your audience, okay, in order for them to make a decision to join you in this business. Now, one of the things you have to do is you have to build an audience. You have to engage that audience. You have to sell to that audience. So that's what we're going to do, okay? Once you read this page and you look at the information on this page, you want to click here and get access to the $25 digital business. Okay. Go ahead and fill out this information, your billing information, your card information. Look at the bonuses you're going to get over here. Come down to this box, check this box right here so you get access to the 14-day free test drive, okay, of the premium services that we offer you inside of the HBA. Okay. Once you check that box, you're only going to invest $25 today. Check this box right here and complete your order. Then you'll be moving on in the right direction. Okay. Once you do that, okay, you're going to receive 3 emails from the Home Business Academy. Follow those emails to the T. Okay. So you want to make sure that you do that. Okay. So let's close this out. Now, what we're going to do here, I briefly went over this in videos 1 and 2, but our goal is to earn $1,000 per month in 90 days. This is a challenge from me to you and a challenge to myself. Here's how it's going to work. You need 9 serious people investing $150 each monthly to earn over $1,000 per month in 90 days or less. You earn 80% commission. 80% times 150 is $120. $120 times 9 is $1,080. $120 per person can earn you $1,080 per month in recurring income as long as they remain a member. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that you have to just stop at 9 people. Okay. We want to get as many as we can, but 9 is the goal. Okay. And you got to understand, you're not going to just find 9 like that. You're going to need at least get 50 people in and expect, a percentage of those people to stay. So don't go in with the mindset of that, once you get your 9 people, that those 9 are going to upgrade to the premium. They may just keep the funnel builder. Okay. But we want to get more and more people looking at what it is that you're offering. Okay. So what's needed? Okay, you're going to need a funnel builder, a domain name, autoresponder, traffic training, and a community to support you. We've already talked about the funnel builder. In this video, we're going to talk about the domain name. Okay, how you get your domain name set up and all of that good stuff. Don't try to contemplate too much on a domain name. We don't want you to hold up in this process. If you want, just use your name. Okay. That way you have it set up and ready to go. Now, if you want to use a domain name that's connected with the business, that's great as well. Just get a domain name so you can get going through this process. Okay. Make sure you have joined the all-in-one $25 digital business. Okay. This document will be below in this video. You can click on this document or click the link in the description down there to go ahead and get started. Okay. Once you log into there, you want to go into the Home Business Academy affiliate quick start. And all of these links are clickable. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to that area. It's going to take you to the affiliate zone where you are going to watch these videos here, you're going to follow every step right here that's laid out for you. Make sure you follow it to the T, because it's going to help you get up and going quickly, so you're not necessarily waiting on me to create videos to walk you through the process. Okay, that's why I'm showing you these links in this document, so you can go ahead on and go with the process instead of waiting on me. Who knows, I may get sick or something, God forbid. I may have something else I need to do, and I can't get a video out to finish taking you through the process. So you need to go ahead on and take some initiative and follow the process yourself. So this here is going to help you through that process, and this has everything you need right here. It's even going to help you set up your funnels and things like that. We give you 5 emails to get you started, and you're going to get access to some other emails as well. Okay, so that's that. The next thing we're going to do is, in this document, you're going to continue to set up your funnel. This is the second video here, video day 2. So if you click this link, it's going to take you to that video. Okay, so what we want to do, we actually want today is we're going to get our domain name. So what you want to do in this document, or even in the email that Home Business Academy sends you, it's going to talk about the domain name. So you can click on here, HBA domains. Is going to take you to the domain account. Okay, so once you get here, what you want to do is you're going to actually set up an account. Okay, so you click over here and click on create my account. It's going to take you to this page. Write this information down. Keep this information in a safe place where you can remember it, where you're nowhere at. So when it's time to use it, you'll be able to use it. Enter your email, a username, and a password, and click create account. I've already created an account, so we're going to go through that right now. So let me just go back. I'm going to click sign in, and I'm actually going to log into my account. And I've already have a domain name in here. I have the unlimitedincomesystem.com. So what you want to do right here is just search for a domain. Like I said, it can be your name, or it can be something to do with the all-in-one $25 digital business. You can say my $25 biz .com. Let's see if it's available. We're going to search. So that domain is taken. So let's go back up here. My $25 biz. Let's just put works. And we're going to search. Okay, so my $25 biz works. You can get it for $11.99. Okay, so you just simply click make it yours, and you're ready to go through the process. Now, I've already have a domain name that I'm going to use and finish walking you through the process. So what I want you to do, okay, on this sheet is to click in this document, click on this button here. Okay. Go to members area and watch this video, integrating custom domain with your funnel builder. You want to watch this video. Mike is going to walk you through the process, okay, of setting up your domain, connecting your domain to your funnel builder, okay, and everything. And the reason I'm not going to do it in this video is because I want you to get used to going into this back office, doing this yourself, so you can get familiar with your own back office. Okay. It's not going to do any good, for me to show you in the video how I'm doing it, when you really need to be doing it yourself, because you may want to show somebody else how to do this as well. And if you don't know, then how can you show somebody else? So you simply want to watch this video. It's going to walk you through the process. I can't remember how long it is, but watch the video, get your funnel built, or your domain name set up and connected. The next thing you want to do is come over here to setup. And while you're in your HBA back office, domain back office, hosting back office, click on business email. Watch this video. He's going to show you how to connect your email, but not only show you how to connect your email, he's going to show you how to have that email where it won't go to people's spam or their promotional folder by setting up your records that need to be set up in there as well. Okay, so you want to watch this video here. Okay, all of that is going to be done inside of the Home Business Academy domain service. Okay, so like I said, just search for domain name up here, do a search, get your domain, and get busy. Okay, so really that's it for this video. I'm not going to do much more. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the get response autoresponder using get response. Okay, and on this document as well, you can click the link to log into your HBA back office to go through the autoresponder training. Okay, which is also going to be autoresponder integrations here. Okay, and if you want to go ahead on and get this done, go ahead on and get it done today. That is fine with me. Okay, once you get it set up, we got funnel builder training. If you come down through here, you're going to find get response email tips. Okay, you want to go through that, and then we're going to come down and go through the DKIM FPF DMARC setup. Okay, so we're going to do that tomorrow, and that's all for this video here. So go ahead, start at video number 1, look at video number 2, click the link in the description below this video, richardhairston.com, all in 125 to get started. And go ahead on, open up this document. Let me show you where this document is. If I open up the show more here, you come down here, it says open this Google Doc right here. It's going to open up the document for you. Okay, and you can get started with the business here. You can go ahead and get response here, and we're going to talk about traffic later on in this series of videos that I do. Okay, so go ahead on, get your domain set up. Go follow these links right here and get everything done, get everything connected, and you will be good to go. Okay. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.